What if I told you that $10,000 a month could be just a few pins away? No ads, no big budget. Just a proven Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy that works like clockwork. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to turn simple pins into passive income. Stick around because this blueprint could change everything for you. Step 1. Why Pinterest is perfect for affiliate marketing. First things first, why is Pinterest perfect for affiliate marketing? Well, unlike platforms like Facebook or Instagram, Pinterest operates as a visual search engine. People use Pinterest with a specific goal in mind, usually to find solutions or products. And with over 450 million monthly active users, Pinterest offers free, consistent traffic without the need for ads. Here's why Pinterest is a game changer for affiliate marketers. Targeted traffic. Users are actively looking for products, so conversion rates are higher. Evergreen content. Pins can drive traffic for months or even years after you post them. Visual appeal. It's the perfect platform to showcase products creatively, so your content keeps working for you long after you've posted it. That's why Pinterest is so unique. It's like planting seeds today and watching them grow into commissions months from now. Step 2. Choosing a profitable niche. Let's talk about choosing a profitable niche. The foundation of any successful Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy is picking a niche that's both in demand and has lower competition. Let's take a look at some hot niches right now. Health and fitness, weight loss programs, meal plans, etc. Home decor, minimalist designs, unique furniture, etc. Lifestyle, productivity hacks, organizational tools, etc. Food and recipes, keto, paleo, or healthy dessert ideas. Use tools like Google Trends, Pinterest Trends, or even Pinterest's own search bar to find trending topics in your niche. For example, holiday recipes or summer fitness are great seasonal trends that can drive tons of traffic. The key here is choosing a niche you're passionate about. Trust me, your content will be more engaging and your audience will feel that authenticity. Step 3. Finding high-converting affiliate products. Now let's talk about finding products to promote. Head over to affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, ShareASale, or Amazon Associates. But not just any product. Look for products that meet these criteria. High quality. This builds trust with your audience. Engaging sales pages. A good sales page converts traffic into sales. Generous commissions. Higher earnings per sale are always better. For example, on ClickBank, sort by gravity score to find top-performing products. Say you're in the health niche, promoting a custom keto diet plan that pays $215 per sale. That can really add up. And don't forget to check out smaller, high-quality brands too. These often have less competition, and they might offer exclusive deals for affiliates. Step 4. Optimizing your Pinterest account. Step 4 is all about setting up your Pinterest account for success. First, make sure you're using a business account so you can access analytics, rich pins, and ad features. Here's how to make your profile stand out. Use a clear profile picture and a banner that matches your niche. Add keywords to your bio and board names to improve search visibility. Enable rich pins so product details like descriptions and prices show up automatically. Create boards around specific subtopics. If you're in the keto niche, make boards like keto breakfast recipes or easy keto desserts. Don't forget to name your boards after trending search terms. This can boost your visibility and help you show up in more searches. Step 5. Creating viral pins. Now for the fun part, creating viral pins. Pinterest is all about visual appeal, so your pins need to grab attention. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Express to create bold, eye-catching designs with readable fonts. Here are some tips for creating pins that go viral. Use numbers in your titles, e.g., 10 easy keto snacks. Add SEO keywords in your pin titles and descriptions. Experiment with different formats like infographics, product showcases, or idea pins. And here's a pro tip. Schedule 2 to 5 pins a day using tools like Tailwind or Canva's content planner. You want to pin at optimal times like evenings or weekends when your audience is most active. Step 6. Building a landing page. Directly linking to affiliate products from Pinterest isn't always the best idea. Instead, create a landing page that captures leads and guides them to your affiliate offers. Here's how to do it. 1. Choose a template and add engaging visuals. 2. Integrate your affiliate link so users are redirected after signing up. 3. Set up an autoresponder to send follow-up emails and increase conversions. Bonus tip. Use a lead magnet, like a free ebook or guide, to encourage email signups. Make sure your landing page is mobile friendly since most Pinterest users are browsing on their phones. Step 7. Scaling your strategy. Finally, let's talk about scaling your strategy. To take your Pinterest affiliate marketing to the next level, stay consistent with your posting schedule. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and creating a sense of community. Expand your content to include email marketing, and maybe even try promoted pins to boost your reach. Use tools like Pinterest Insights or Google Analytics to track which pins are performing best and double down on what works. You can also collaborate with influencers in your niche to expand your reach and get even more visibility. And that's it, the ultimate guide to crushing it with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Remember, the key to success is taking action, staying consistent, and always optimizing. If you have any questions or want to share your progress, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive even deeper into strategies to grow your income and reach your goals. Until then, keep pinning, keep earning, and let's make those dreams a reality.